All right, today I have a Nissan Pathfinder and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the headlights. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So right now I'm sitting in the front of the vehicle. As you can see, here is the steering wheel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look through the steering wheel and I'm going to look to the left-hand side. And do you see this lever right here? This lever is for controlling the headlights. All right, so currently the headlights are off, okay? So in order to turn them on, I'm gonna have to twist this knob. And when I twist this knob, it goes to the parking lights and it shows you on the screen up there. So that's the parking lights. And if I want to take it to turn the headlights on, I take it to this notch right here. Let me get in closer so you can see that notch right there. But there is an auto feature, okay? We're gonna go over the auto feature next, but I want to show you about the high beam headlights. And so when I have the lights are on right here, see, I'm going to do it here. It shows that the headlights are on, right? And I can turn on the high beam headlights. Now to turn on the high beam headlights when the lights are on and not in the auto feature, you're just going to simply go ahead and press this, okay? And it's indicative up on the screen right there that the high beam headlights are on. You see that blue light? That is high beam headlights. Now to turn them off, I'm just going to take this and I'm going to pull it backwards and that blue lights goes off. And there's an auto feature right here and it says on high beam available in auto. So I'm with auto light. I'm not exactly sure this works, but this is the auto headlight right here, high beam headlights right here. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and take it to the auto lights where the vehicle detects if it needs headlights or not. And that's the auto feature, which I'm going to go right here. Okay, so it's an auto feature, shows up on the screen right here. And so when it's in an auto, the headlights will turn on and turn off depending on if it's light or dark outside. Okay, so you can see I usually keep mine in here. And when you get out of the vehicle, they automatically turn off. When you exit the vehicle, turn it off, it automatically turns off within a few seconds. I believe it's 30 seconds or so. Not a minute. And then here's the auto feature over here. The auto button right here, I'm not exactly sure. I believe that is for when the headlights are on right here. I'm going to press this. It says on, off, HBA only available with auto light. I'm not exactly sure, but this is the off. That is the parking lights. That is the headlights on, and that is the auto. And put it on, go ahead and do the bright headlights, turn them off. And that's how you operate the headlights on the Nissan Pathfinder. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.